how to find account information settings on Linktree, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your account information settings. First open your browser and then click on your profile here and then click my accounts, and then once you're here just here we'll find your information. You can manage here your name and your email, and that's it. You can verify your email if it's not verified, and that's it. Just manage anything you want here, and then just click save details, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.